is Explore Hong Kong at Central Market now. That has stopped operation since 2003, 18 years already, and it has been revitalized recently and reopened in August. So today we'll bring you to walk around this 82 years old historic building in Hong Kong. So inside the building, you can still see some old signs. And now we are going to the second floor. This place was built in 1939, 82 years old, and it was the first fresh market in Hong Kong, known as the Central Market. So instead of making it into a fresh market, a very local fresh market again, they make it into like a shopping hub where you can find eateries, and also local shops. And it attracts so many young people here. But one thing that I found pity is that it no longer looks like the Central Market we all know. So now let's go to the outdoor area. So eatery is located on the ground floor with open spaces. Just now we go down and play with the birds. So we are going to show you later. And other side of the Central Market, very nice coffee smell. So I don't think this is cheap pao because you can't see the back. I think the stairs here would be the most distinct feature in the Central Market. With this sign, lock, and also sign. On the first floor, you'll be able to find an area that tells you the history of the Central Market. So, do you know how much it costs to revitalize this area? So make a guess, and I'm going to tell you very soon. On the first floor, you will be able to also find some shops selling some like postcards, stationeries with some local prints. And also local snacks, lor mai qi, the glutinous ball. So the mango one is a famous one. In this part, you can find the Hakka tea cake, 茶果, 雞屎藤, the chicken pool tea cake. So no worries, that is not made of chicken pool, but a tea, a herbs that's called chicken pool. And here is Ding Ding Ban馆. With the Put Zai Go here. So you can also find some local snacks here. And this is what I like when I was small. It's quite expensive now. I still remember it was just like $2 in the past. So and other local snacks include 麥芽糖、馬仔 and then 糯米糍 glutinous ball. And then is Ding Ding Tong. I haven't seen this for so long. They also have the huge white rabbit candy, $45, much bigger than my hand or similar size. And also 紅白藍膠袋, small size, $40, much expensive. And some old toys. 西瓜波 $50. This part tells you how the market is like in the past. So this is how it looks like in 1953, the open space that I showed you just now. And then you can also bring your dog. Can you see the dog? You can bring your dog to the central market. So it is a pity that it does not look like what it's like in the past, because for now it is more like a shopping hub that you can find local shops. So in the past you should be able to see this beef and pork stalls, how stores was like. And then it ceased operation since 2003. So 18 years already, and the government has announced the revitalization project in 2009. And after 12 years, you are able to see the new 4th generation central market again in Bauhaus styles. So how it looks like in the past. This is showing you the 2nd generation central market in Victorian style. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how much it cost to revitalize the central market. Answer is 500 million Hong Kong dollar. 5億, that's a lot. Some original feature has been preserved, so you can scan the QR code here to learn more about it. Wet floor. And now let's go down to the ground floor. And here is showing you one of my favorite arts, because it shows you the central market that I like, where you can see this kind of local shops. So just now this lady give her the green onion 送俾佢. And you can't find much old relics inside the revitalized central market. So the stair here should be the most distinct features, and this is a Grade 3 historic building where you can find the high ceiling. This is the characteristics of the building, and also the windowed wall. And now let's go to the open area. And I'll be showing to you 2 Instagrammable places. So the first one is that you should stand here. I prefer the 2nd floor. And then take photos of the building from this position. And just now, we also find some really cute birds, and we play with them just now. And you can put it on your hand and take photos with them. So how many birds you can see here? 1, 2, and 3. The last spot that I would like to show you is over here. Probably the most Instagrammable place. Many people take photos here. These are the lamb that you can find in local wet market. Reason they put this kind of lamb is because they make the beef and pork looks more red, such that it's more fresh, looks more fresh. And some people also put the eggs underneath to see whether the egg is good or not. But for the lamb here, it's much smaller than the one in the real local wet market. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. See you very soon. Bye bye.